Okay, in this lecture, this is our fourth lecture. In this lecture, I will teach you about how to take a hidden lines, center lines, and the other types of phantom lines. Okay. See, this is the window. Now, here it is a line. I will click on the line. Okay. Now I want to make this line hidden line. Listen, I want to make this line as a hidden line. I want this line as a hidden line. So what I'm gonna do, click on the line type control, left click of mouse, then click on the other. Here this window will be appear line type manager, then click on the load. See, here you can see there's so many lines. Says ISO dash line, that is a border line. For sheet, that is a center line. So what I'm gonna do, I want a dash line here. It is also a dash line, but it is a dash dot dot. You can see there are the dot dots. Okay, you can find so many line types. That is a phantom line. It is in the, we are drawing the phantom line in civil for tracking the beams. I want dash line, so click here by left click and okay. Again, now I want a center line. So what I'm gonna do, find the center line here. Here it is a center line. Click OK. Now here is a two line types. One is a dash line used for hidden line. One is a center line for circles or any other types of beams over. Okay. So click on the OK. Now here it is a line I was drawn. I want to convert this line in the hidden line. So what I'm gonna do, just click on this line, select this line, then go to the line type control, then click on the hidden line. Here it is hidden line. Click hidden line, and again it doesn't shows me here. So what I'm gonna do, just click on the line, select the line. Here it is shows up by block. Again click. Now it is the hidden line. Okay, if you make this greater, okay, if I want to make this hidden line converted into a center line, that just select the line, then go to the line type control and click on the center. So it not shows. I want to increase the scale. Okay, for scale, right select the object, right click, find the properties, click on the properties. Here it shows me a line type. See here, line type scales. I want to this scale, I'm changing this scale as a 20. See, now it shows, it's available now. Okay, this is the line type control. This is the width. If I want to increase the line width, then I can click here as a 2 mm. It not shows here. When you make a PDF, in the PDF it shows a 2 mm thickness. Okay, now I'm gonna show you arrays. How to make an array. I'm making a rectangle, I'm making the circle here. Okay, here it is a circle also. Here it, see, I don't wanna waste my time to draw a circle here, here and here. I want the circle here, here and here. So what I'm gonna do, just click on the array. Here it shows the array. Then for a circular part, click on the polar array and select the object. Here it is, select the object. After clicking, selecting polar array, then select the object, hit the space. Then it shows me total numbers of items. I will give the 4 items. Okay. Wait. Click on the array, polar array, select the polar array, select the object. Okay, by left click, hit the mouse after selecting object. Then it shows me here it is a pick center point. I want the center point of this circle. This circle center point is a reference for this circle. Okay, I will select this as reference as a center point of big circle. Then click on OK. Otherwise you can click on preview and then give a OK. But here I will click on directly OK. Okay, here it shows 1 2 3 4. Okay, you can increase the number of circles here. See, in previous we drawn 4 circles. I want 6 circle with equal length. Select the object, hit space after selecting object, give the center point of the circle and then click on OK. See, it is in a equal length. If you measure the if you measure this angle, see, if you measure this angle, it is equal to all angular. So it shows a 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you on these lines as a center line. So what I'm gonna do, just select this line by dragging, by left click, then click on the center line. Here it shows, increasing the scale. See, center line of circle. Okay, same center line of circle is here also. Replicate here. Okay, now this is done. How to make a polar array in this circular. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you how to make a rectangular array. Here it is a rectangular. Here it is a rectangular. I am making the circle here. Here is a circle. I am making the 10 mm circle. Here it is my circle. I want this circle here, and here, vertical at downside and horizontal side. Okay, so I will click on the array, Click on the rectangular array. Here it shows me 4 rows. I want 6 rows, 7 rows, 8 rows, as per depended on you. Okay, I will give a 10 9 rows. 9 row offset is a 50 mm, column offset 50 mm. Select the object, click the select the object. After selecting object, hit the space. Then it shows me a, see here, pick a angle, pick a both offset, pick a raw offset. So I'm gonna click a preview. It goes at upside. In the raw offset, give the dimension as a -15 because we are going to a downside. Okay, here it comes. See again. We give the 9 rows downside, 9 column horizontal side, and raw offset -50 mm. Fine, -15 mm because we are going to a downside. That's why we give the -15 mm. And column offset is a 15 mm. Then hit the preview. See, click on the OK. This dimension, if you calculate this dimension, it center to center is a 50 mm. See in the command line, 50 mm dimensions. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you how to give a now I'm gonna teach you how to give a dimension to this plate. Okay, it is a so many circles. How to give a dimensions? For dimension, you can type a DLI space. Then just click here and click here. Then again on to these dimensions. I want to give this dimension. I want to give this dimension. Okay, I'm hitting a DLI space. For repeat command, hit the space again. Otherwise, you can press a DLI again space. DLI double space. Otherwise, you can click a DLI, then click a point here like this, and second point, and drag down for location of dimension. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use a angle dimension. Here it shows angular. In dimension, click on the dimension. Here it shows angular. Click on this and click on this on this angle as shown. Okay, again I want if I want to drag this dimension at a downside, then what I'm gonna do, just click S space, then select like this green area appears, select like this. Okay, and left click and then drag upside and select this, then hit a space and then drag down, left click on left click of mouse and then drag down like this. Okay, then again TLI space, again here it is shows me. Now see, now it is so important during a drawing. I'm gonna tell you now, so important, demodify. It is very important making the sheet. Okay, for perfect dimension, and it wants to a viewable for every clients. The dimensions is so important for me, measuring the distance between the 2 points. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a viewable these dimensions. So what I'm gonna do, for giving the radius, you can click here, radius of circle here. Okay, otherwise you can give a diameter of this circle here. Click on the dimension, here it is the diameter. Okay, 10 diameter. Now I want to make this total dimension is a viewable. So what I'm gonna do, D space, here it appears a window. I will click on the new, giving the A1 A4 name, continue, modify again, it not appears right. Click on the new A4, continue, and this window will appear. Click on the lines, click this. I want to change the colors here. Okay, this line will be a gray color. I want to change again. I want to change now these lines. Okay, in gray color, same here, gray color. Show in the preview, gray color it shows me. Then I want to baseline spacing as a 1. It is a standard method. Click extend beyond dim line 1, offset from origin 1, symbols and arrows. Click the arrow size as a 2, then give this a center mark as a 1, break size as a 1. On this text height as a 2 not 5, align with dimension. On this above vertical, here the dimension is going upside of the line, right above the line. Okay, and align with dimension line. Here is a text height is a 2.5. Now in the text style, it is a standard. I want the Romans here because Romans it is a standard method. Okay, click on the this, here it says display the text style dialog box. Click on this, here click on this and find the Roman by typing R. Here it is a Roman, I found it. Then give the width factor if you want to increasing a width. See here it is decreasing the width, I want to 1. Okay, then set current, it shows me a window. The current style has been modified. Yes, then close. Go to the fit, it is a 1. Okay, in the primary unit I want unit as a 0 precision. Okay, then set current, here it is set current A4, close. If it is not done in this sheet, you can click on D space, go to the standard, go to the modify, then again you have to give this one. Let's see this, it is applied or not. No, it's not applied, right? Then you should go to the select this dimension, then right click, go to the properties. See, it not taken as my A4 dimension style. It not, the dimension is not taken my A4 dimension style which we given. So what I'm gonna do, just select, drag and select these dimensions, right click and go to the properties. Here it shows a misc. Here it is a dimension style. This is dimension style. Click on this dimension style, click here, it appears some things, A4 and a standard. I will click on A4. See, it appears. Now I want to do a match properties. For match property, if I click on a match property, MA space, then click the dimension, then click the other dimensions. This dimension property will apply it on these dimension properties with match property. Click on this dimension, click this by left click. Okay, see, here it is, all dimensions are ready. It is a typical, that distance is the same for all. So what I'm gonna do, typical. Okay, here it is also typical. Okay, now I want to fit this drawing in A4 sheet. Okay, what I'm gonna do, making the A4 sheet by rectangular, D space 297 210. Here it is a A4 sheet. Okay, then just moving this drawing in A4 sheet. See, the sheet is just too small for this drawing. What I'm gonna do, increasing the sheet size. It is a standard method for increasing the sheet size. I want to increase the sheet size as 1 as to 1.3. Okay, then click on the S space, click and select and drag this sheet, select and drag this sheet, type green area appears and select, then again hit the space. See, it gives a, see, in the command line it shows a specify base point. I will give a specify base point. It is my reference, so the command line shows me a specify base point. I will click this base point as my reference, click on this base point. Now see, in the command line it shows me a specify scale factor. Okay, then click on the type R space by keyboard, then specify reference length. Reference length, it is my original length, which is a 1, because this sheet I was made in 1:1 scale, so this is my reference point 1. After giving the 1 space, then it shows me, see, in the command line it shows me a specify new length for new length. Now I want the length as a 1.3 as my new scale length. Okay, 1.3. See in the command line. See in the command line. Then again space. See my sheet is increases by 1.3. When you take the print in the A4 sheet size, A4 sheet paper, then put take a measure scale and put the measure scale on this sheet and take a dimension, whichever dimension you got on the scale, then multiply this dimension with sheet scale 1:3. Okay, here it is, your sheet perfection is completed and the line types completed. Now I'm gonna teach you about how to fit this drawing. This whole drawing, here it is a title block will appear, here it is a BM. Okay, I want to fit this drawing in layout. Here it is a layout, it shows me a layout. Click on the layout, it shows this window. Just close. See the drawing appears here in layout. I want this sheet fit in total area. Okay, now click on the layout, right click, then go to the page setup manager, then go to the modify, then go to the DWG to PDF. I want to make this as a PDF. Okay, then go to the PDF, then always click ISO full bleed. Always select the ISO full bleed sheets. Okay, my sheet is A4, so I'm gonna click ISO full bleed A4. Here it is in the window 29710. Okay, then it shows me a plot area, what to plot. Click on the layout, click on the window. Now I'm gonna select this window, click this reference point and this reference point. Okay, now center the plot, fit to paper, then hit the OK, then close it, and this line will be getting a bigger. So what I'm gonna do, select this line and minimize as on. Click on this, again same process for this. Here it is, your drawing fit in the A4 sheet. You can change the name here, rename, giving the A4 sheet.